hunting, or woodworking. And the reason that those stand out more is because I've got personal interest, personal knowledge in those. And that's a pretty big determining factor, is you want to be able to, if there's something that you, again, personally know about, have experience with, then that carries a lot of weight, because that's, you'll be able to possibly create something without having to recruit somebody else to help you out with it. So that carries a lot of weight. So what this is going to tell me is horses gives me a lot of traffic, but guitar, hunting, or woodworking are probably going to do just as well, really. Parasailing obviously got disqualified. You might have several of these that get disqualified. But at this point, if there's kind of a tie, it's just a matter of you picking one. Just, flip a coin, do whatever you want to do. So that is the chart. That's how we determine, that's how we qualify or disqualify things. And then the next step for us is to specifically get an idea for a product. So we have picked our niche, whatever that's going to be. And I'm going to go ahead, I'll go ahead and do guitar just to make things simple. I'm going to pick guitar, and what we want to do now is pick an actual product. And to do that, we can visit forums, look at what people are looking for. And by forums, I mean visit some of those forums that you found on Google when you typed guitar forum. Check some of the forums out. See what people are posting about. A forum is an invaluable research for marketing, because there are people just basically standing there saying, please make me a product on XYZ. You just go through the list there and it's a piece of cake. Check AdWords to see what people are advertising in that niche, and also SpyFu. That's a real good way to do some research. And SpyFu in particular, you can go there, type a keyword, and it'll show you ads for competitors, so you can see specifically what they're advertising for. And let's just go ahead. I tell you what, this is kind of impromptu, but let's go ahead and go to SpyFu. You can do this with AdWords too, which is why I mentioned it. But some of you might like the way SpyFu does this. Let's do same keyword, okay? Now, obviously, for advertising purposes, things like that, you get a little more specific. But for just the justification of the general theme, just the one keyword will do us pretty good. Okay, Guitar Center. So they're selling guitars. They're selling guitars, so are they. They're doing a review. A lot of people selling guitars. Lessons, MP3s, tablature.